coming to you today making some vegan nuggets, but I want them to taste a little like Chick-fil-A. So I was watching That Chocolate Vegan a year ago, I believe, a year or two ago, and she said the secret to making it taste like Chick-fil-A is taking jackfruit and soaking it in pickle juice overnight. So I let this soak overnight. I'm gonna make my batter. I'm gonna show you the jackfruit that I use. So this jackfruit you can find at Trader Joe's. I don't know if it's gonna be this brand, but before I seen that at Trader Joe's, I couldn't find it, and I purchased this from Amazon. So I have my chickpea flour here. I'm just gonna season it. Some black pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some paprika. Going to add in some unsweetened almond milk. Unsweetened. Put some of that in there. This is just my wet batter. Going to get my spoon. Rinse it off. Over there, if you hear something, that's the air fryer. I am making sweet potato fries. They're done. I'm going to add a little bit more almond milk because I want it a little looser. I have my oil heating up over there. I'm going to throw in my chickpea, my dragon fruit. This is how they look, and they've been soaking. I'm gonna throw that in there. I think I'm just gonna put 4 in, and then I'll fry the rest later for the kitties. So this is the wet batter. I am going to I have some unbleached regular flour here. I'm going to put this here. This is going to be the dry batter. Oh, that made a mess. see if the grease is hot.
Yeah.
The grease is hot and it's ready. So I'm gonna put these in the fry batter. I would usually season all the batters, but I'm going to dip it in the sauce. Wow, look, it's all over my shirt. This is getting messy. So I'm going to go over there and okay. So that's frying over there. I am going to let it fry for like 5 minutes, and then I am going to plate it. I'll be right back when it's done, when I'm plating it. So I plated the food. These are my sweet potato fries. These are my nuggets. And this is my Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce. So I'm going to give it a try without the sauce first. They look pretty good. So I straightened my hair set. Well, not straightened it. I blew it out. I did like a texture blowout. Because I just wasn't in the mood for curly hair. This is a nugget. This is the nugget. It's hot. Without the sauce. Let's see. I see. I can taste it. I'll get my son in here in a minute. This is a nugget with this sauce. This is the Chick-fil-A sauce. It's hot. Look how that looks. I should have dried the nuggets off for a little bit. Let me call my son in here. These are my favorite. I love sweet potato fries. I like regular fries too, but if I had to choose, I will always choose sweet potato. Say hi, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Noah, and I like rock music.
No one asked you. Okay. I want you to taste a nugget. Do you like Chick-fil-A sauce?
Wait, is that Chick-fil-A sauce or Polynesian?
Polynesian sauce.
I don't eat Polynesian sauce.
Well, we have honey mustard sauce over there in the drawer.
It's just like a pickle.
Yeah, I had it in pickle juice. I should have dried it out, but does it kind of taste like a Chick-fil-A chicken?
No.
Stuffed and seasoned Noah. Is it hot? Hello.
It's good.
What does it taste like? It has to be hot. You act like it's hot. Hello.
It tastes like the chicken. There's a little bit of KFC in it.
No, they sound dead. They taste different. Please don't do that. We're not even talking about KFC.
It's good.
Okay. Thank you. Boy. This is how it looks when it's bitten into. He said it tastes like chicken. First he said it tastes like a pickle, which is what I got because I feel like I should have dried it off more. But overall, I'm pleased with the taste. Thanks for watching. Bye.